In today's video, I'm going to teach you approvals in Jira. We will walk through how to set up approvals inside a Jira project. Connect them to your workflow, and then test the approval process on a task so you can see how it works in practice. Start by opening Jira from there. Go to your projects and select your project management project. Once you are inside the project, look for the Approvals section and click it. In this area, choose Setup Approvals. A pop-up window will open. And this is where the initial setup begins. First, select the workflow that you want to apply an approval to. After that, choose the status that should trigger the approval. This will be selected from the drop-down list, and it could be something like To Do, In Progress, or Done, depending on how your workflow is organized. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Jira will then take you into the workflow editor. Here, you can add the statuses you want to use if they are not already in place. Click the To Do status so you can work with its nodes. Then drag from that node to In Progress to add a transition. Name this transition Approve, since that will represent the path taken when work is approved. Next, create the reverse transition back to Do and name it Decline. This gives you a clear path for rejected work, so the issue can move back and be reviewed or updated before being submitted again. After that, drag from the In Progress node to Done and name that transition Finish or Complete. When everything looks correct, click Update Workflow to save your changes. Now go back to your project and return to the Approvals tab. Click Setup Approval again. At this stage, you'll see the option to integrate approvals into your workflow. From the Select Preset Approvers menu, choose the preset you want to use. Then add a name for the approver field, so it's easy to recognize later. Under Approved, choose the transition that should happen when approval is granted. Under Declined, choose the transition that should happen when approval is rejected. These should match the workflow transitions you just created. When that's done, click Save. Your approval setup is now complete. To test it, go back to your project and open the board. In the In Progress column, click the plus icon to create a task and give it a name. Then open that task and go to the Approval section. On the right-hand side, you will see the Approve and Decline buttons, which confirms that the approval flow is active and working. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.